On my French garden rose tour at Javeliere, and I want to show you something you don't really see in America, which is climbing roses up trees, rambling roses in particular, climbers that get really, really big. Let me show you. It really is effective. This rose is rambling rector. And you can see here, it's just very simply going up a tree. It will get dappled sun. Ramblers can take a lot less sun. That's not a problem at all. But it's very, very effective. I wanted to give you a close-up going up the tree. Let me pull back. That's a wider shot of it. You can see what it's doing. This will continue to fill in over time. Ramblers, large climbers, the less petals, the better in lower light conditions. Something to think about. There's wires running up along the tree that are anchored into the tree. Doesn't seem to be hurting the tree in any way, shape, or form. Very effective way to take a rambler, large climber, run it up a tree. It's a really, really nice way to go. It's something you should really try at home, because the nice thing is, even when the rose is no longer flowering, a lot of these are spring flowering, by the way, then basically the trees take over, you have the green, but you get this wonderful, wonderful spring show that you're seeing behind me right now. So for Jackson Perkins, Paul Zimmerman, thanks for spending time in the garden with us.